Welcome Aquarius to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check your period between November 19 to November 30th. Let's see how your love life and your career is going to pan out. So first for your relationship, let's just pick a card. Forgive and release. So you are stronger when you forgive, when you let go of anger, when you actually forgive. So with the person on your mind, just forgive them and release, just kind of let go. Okay, let go of all those deep emotions. Let's pick 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future for your relationship. Then let's pick the challenge and then let's clarify each of those cards. So in the past, you have the Two of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Six of Pentacles. In the future, in the present, you have the Eight of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Tower. In the future, you have the Three of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. And your challenge is the Four of Swords. And what you don't see coming at you is strength. You have the courage, you have the strength to overcome anything. So it seems, Aquarius, that you're holding back a lot. You're holding back your emotions. You're not really expressing yourself. You're kind of guarded or kind of, just hibernating a little bit. In the past, it seemed like you had a lot of things to balance, your career, your love life, different aspects of life, relationships, family, but you view this person with an eye of equality. You see this person as an equal to you. In the present, expect communication. Expect to communicate with this person. Expect to have good communications. But something may happen which may take the rug from under your feet, kind of sweep you off your feet. And for some of you, there might be the influence of other people in this relationship. There might be the influence of other people in this relationship. There might be, some kind of manipulation. But at the end of the day, as the period comes to an end, you will find yourself, more balanced. So, yeah, let's clarify each of these cards. Let's clarify the Four of Swords, the Ace of Cups, the Empress, and this Knight of Pentacles. So this Four of Swords energy of kind of being in a limbo is signaling that this is a new phase in your relationship. Whether it's with the same person or with someone new, this is a new phase in your relationship, which is full of passion, but you're kind of waiting for that phase to unfold. Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Fool, the Devil, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, so Fool has come up twice. Expect a new beginning. Expect a beginning of passion, magic. The King of Swords is clarified by the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and Judgment. So someone is kind of not communicating to their maximum, may have distanced themselves, may have taken a step back, and you're trying to be as practical as possible about it. You're viewing it very practically. The Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Three of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and the Nine of Wands. So you're kind of guarded. You need to take more responsibility, and you need to kind of not feel yourself in a sense of loss, because loss attracts loss, lack attracts lack. So kind of manifest, the future with this person. The Eight of Wands is clarified by the Star, the Nine of Cups, and the Lovers. So there is a lot of love in this relationship. It's built on solid ground. So expect communications of love from this person. The Four of Cups is clarified by the Six of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. Even though you're riding high, you're kind of holding yourself back. Even though you're riding high, You're kind of holding yourself back. You're not completely ready to give it your all at the moment. The Tower is clarified by the Five of Cups, the King of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. So, yeah, you feel a little disappointed with some things in this relationship. You feel a little disappointed with some things and you're kind of getting anxious. The Three of Cups is clarified by the Magician, the Five of Pentacles, and the Emperor. So, yes, there's clearly a little bit of walking away from the situation, kind of taking a break, putting the brakes on what was happening in the past, kind of taking a step back. The Seven of Wands is clarified by the Page of Wands, the Temperance, and the Hermit. You may go into a state of solitude, a state of looking within. You might go into a state of solitude, a state of looking within. Someone is very strong headed. It's either you or your partner. One of you is coming on too strong. And the Nine of Cups is clarified by the Six of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and Strength. So this could be someone from your past coming back, and you really seek to work hard at building the foundations with this person. So this is what I have for you for your relationship, Aquarius. Let's check the cards for your career now. Let's check the cards for your career now. If you like this reading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. So let's see what the cards are for Aquarius's career. You've got the Page of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Two of Wands. You've got the Four of Wands, Death, and Queen of Wands. You've got the Four of Cups, the Page of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. And what you don't see coming is High Priestess. A lot of wise decisions, secrets, spiritual kind of tendency right now. So in the past, you have Page of Pentacles, King of Cups, and Two of Wands. You may have taken a career break or kind of shifted gears from what you were doing. And whatever you're doing right now is actually bearing fruit. Whatever efforts you've put in the past is actually bearing fruit. So you're very passionate about what you do. So things are likely to go well. In the present, even as you're committed and passionate about what you do, you're going through a transformative phase, You're going through a phase where you're seeing a lot of changes, a lot of understanding and introspecting about how you do things, about the processes of what you do. And in the future, you have the Four of Cups, the Page of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. There is something to be stressful about. Expect some stressful communication maybe, regarding your work, regarding your intentions towards your work or what you do. So that is what I have for you for career. Let's see what the Gita cards have to say, Aquarius. Okay, you've got connected to God. So you're doing everything, you're like in a flow. You're doing everything with a sense of surrender, as far as your work and your actions is concerned. So you're constantly thinking about your goals, constantly thinking about where you're headed, and that's going to get you somewhere very good. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. If you want a more customized reading, the details are in the description box. Ciao.